Hello Adorables, this is Tracy from Adorably Organized and happy Tuesday. You know what that means, it is tutorial day. So today I've been answering a lot of questions about how to use stickers in your digital planner. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of that today. So let's open up a planner. Open this one, okay. So from here, let's say we want to add a cute little sticker for Mother's Day. You're going to come up, you're going to tap the plus sign, and it's going to give you options of what you want to add. We want to add an image, so tap image. Then it will open this menu, so you have lots of options for how to import your photo or your sticker, which is actually a photo file. So I save my stickers in my iCloud drive. So once I click image, I would choose iCloud drive. But a lot of people like to just put them right in their camera roll, their photos. If you do that, you can just tap photos and then it will give you the options from your camera roll. I don't do that, so I will show you how I do it. Tap the plus sign, tap image, and then I go into my iCloud drive. I already have this open to where I wanted it, but it gives me all my options that are in my iCloud drive. It also gives me a Dropbox option or any other type of document storage apps that you might have on your iPad. I like to keep everything in my iCloud drive so that I keep it backed up in the cloud. So when I open it, I'm always going to come into iCloud drive. So these are my cute little cat stickers, and I want this one, the little cat with the coffee mug. So I'm going to tap it. It opens and puts it directly into my planner, but it's huge, so I need to resize it. These little blue dots here will allow you to drag it in and out and make it as big or small as you'd like to. So once you get it the size you want, you can move it anywhere you'd like on the page. So I'm going to put it right here on Sunday for Mother's Day. Once you're finished, you just tap off of it and it puts it in place. So, hey Tracy, what if I tap off of it accidentally and it's the wrong size? Or I put it in the wrong spot, or I change my mind and decide later I want it somewhere else, or I want a different sticker altogether. What do I do then? Okay, simple. You make sure that this lasso tool is selected. Well, we don't need to go into the settings. Make sure it's blue, that means it's selected. Once you've done that, you can draw a little circle on your sticker, just anywhere on it, and it doesn't matter how big. And then you can drag it wherever you'd like. So if you want to just simply move it, that's the best way to do it. You can put it anywhere. So once you get it where you want it, you just tap off of it and it's stuck again. If you want to resize it, then you're going to circle and then tap inside the circle and this menu will come up. You tap resize and it brings back your little blue dots that allow you to resize. So you can play around, you can make these as big or as small as you want. If you use the functional stickers, you can drag them to where they'll fit inside your boxes perfectly. They are designed to be used in the planner. If you're using just a simple cute little cartoon stickers, those you can go wild with. So as you can see, stickers are easy. They're fun to use once you get the hang of it. It's super simple. So give it a shot. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm happy to answer. And enjoy. Happy Tuesday.